Hey y'all, welcome back to Ford Adventures. Hong here, and today we are gonna do just a quick install of these Smittybilt grab handles. Picked these up from GTA Jeeps for about 200 bucks for the whole set, front and back. As you know, it is hard to get into a Jeep when you lift it. Unfortunately I do have passengers that I drive around sometimes, so making it easy for them to get in and out is definitely a good thing. But yeah, gonna get these installed. I do have other Jeep parts here, which probably get into a little bit later. Nothing big. They're just like a little cosmetic accessories, antennas, and you know, interior mods. Very simple stuff. But today we're just gonna focus on these Smittybilt grab handles and go from there. Just remove the bolts from the A-pillar. Now this was it? This one, the top one right. Let's see, the top one right here is a little bit harder to get out, so you want to just be cautious when pulling it out. You don't want it to drop down into the A-pillar, and you know, you're gonna have a bunch of rattling going on. So you remove this one, and then you just remove the top here. Pretty simple. You can use a regular ratchet, unless you have you have actual tools. It will be a lot easier. The screws do have Loctite on them, so it's a little bit harder, and you gotta be careful when you don't hit the window. So yeah, it's gonna get those handles in, and we'll be done, and then we'll go to the back and we'll install the rear. All right. Install is pretty simple. These all have these all are marked by the sides. So this one has the little L on the top here. I'm not sure if you can see it. There you are. So yeah, this is the driver's side, and vice versa. So what you want to do is just make sure you line them up. You get the spacers, and just pretty much screw them in. Just gonna loosely fit them, loosely screw them in, make sure it's a proper fit. Now you just get the smaller spacer and smaller screw, which goes in the top here. Just roll it up here. Sort of get it into the hole, finger tight it, use your hex. This would be a lot easier if I actually had tools. Just like that, grab handles secured in. Wish there was more lighting in here, but yeah, pretty simple. The only obstacle is just to make sure you align it properly. Hopefully I have it aligned. It's kind of on an angle, but hopefully it stays up. But yeah, these are rated for 400 pounds. So yeah, feels pretty sturdy. Yeah, now to the back, which is a lot easier. Here is the rear grab handle. Again, it's denoted by sides. So this one's the left side. Pretty straightforward. Unscrew the bolts from the sound bar, which I've already done. I've already loosened these. Again, 2 washers. Oh, sorry, 2 spacers. Just align it with the holes. Finger tight. Then you get your second one. Slide it in. Just like that. We're done. Less than, I say, 2 minutes. Very simple install. Just gotta tighten it, and we are done for the day. That's it. It's solid. Don't like the name. The name's very in your face. The branding. Yeah, it's etched in. Hey, what can you do? Maybe I just go over it with some paint or something like that. But yeah, branding is just right in your face. But no, it's pretty solid, and that's pretty much it. And then you repeat it on the other side, and you're done, folks. So that's it. That's the install. Pretty simple, easy, functional. Yeah, definitely worth the purchase. Alrighty, that's it for the install. Pretty simple. I would say about 2 or 3 minutes on the rear. The front probably take about 10 minutes. Just depends how, the alignment, and if you can get the screw in properly. Gotta fill it around with it, so probably take a little bit longer, but it's still a lot easier than any other upgrades. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.